everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back everyone, welcome back. Today we have more concern news coming out from this crypto market. A lot of stuff for us to talk about here. Even though we have seen significant growth and significant sign of adoption within the crypto market, however, threats are still there, folks. Threats are still there. Just recently, Powell said, hey, we are planning to introduce a big rate hike in the upcoming month. Right now, crypto investors are very worried. How much basic point are they willing to raise? So many people have been wondering of the possibility of another 75 basic point. That is what we are expecting from the market. However, the Fed's initial statements that say, hey, prepare for pain and job losses, really issuing a dire warning for the U.S. economy. So during the Jackson Hole meeting, Federal Reserve Chair Powell delivered a start message on Friday, indicating that in order to fight against inflation, they are planning to increase more interest rate along the upcoming month. And they say, hey, be prepared to feel the pain financially for the American people in the form of a weaker economy and job losses. He has recognized that. And he is willing to put the U.S. economy into a recession as of right now, and people are very concerned. This is what many people have been raising up. These are the unfortunate costs of reducing inflation, Powell said in a high-profile speech at the Fed Annual Economic Symposium in Jackson Hole. But a failure to restore price stability would mean far greater pain. So he is not backing down. He is really into it by raising more interest rate. And we have seen how the market respond. The S&P 500 crashed 2.6%. By mid-afternoon on Friday, tech-heavy Nasdaq composed shed more than 3%. And we have seen people are now flocking into Treasury yield because it is very safe against betting against the Federal Reserve. People are exiting the stock market because more bad news keep coming out. As the Fed continue tighter monetary policy, and investors are very confident and very worried of how the U.S. economy will go, because a lot of pessimism is now lingering in the U.S. economy. Let's look forward. Bitcoin tumbled below $21,000 after Powell hawkish remark, and this is just the reason why. And Bitcoin just crashed. Let's look at the chart. Bitcoin crashed significantly. After that meeting, Bitcoin did not perform very well. They did perform very, very poorly. Bitcoin dropped 5% in value in 2 hours, folks. 2 hours. Following after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell address at Fed Jackson Hole, Wyoming. And so this is what we are seeing. The market is down. And let's look forward. The total crypto market cap globally is now under $1 trillion here, which we have seen a 4.58% decrease over the last 24 hours. This is a warning sign, folks. So right now, what Powell just did is that he said, hey, I just crashed the crypto market and the stock market, and be prepared for more hawkish stance because we are not backing down from raising higher interest rate, and we are expecting for more to come. Our main focus as of right now is what the Federal Reserve has always been playing, is to tame inflation at the cost of putting the U.S. economy on the edge of a recession. And right now we have entered a technical recession. That is what really alarming here. Let's look forward, folks. So during this bear market, which we have seen, Bitcoin miner sold more than 6,000 worth of Bitcoin since August 1st. They did experience such bad news coming out from the market, and they could say, hey, we are not having fun. We need to liquidate our position. We need capital right now. And when this past couple of weeks, more than 6,000 Bitcoin have been liquidated from Bitcoin miners. They have already been liquidating these assets instead of holding. Very short term here. Let's look forward. We still have more news coming out from the market. A lot of stuff for us to talk about here. So people are now pulling back from investing in the market as expectedly. And the bear market is actually pushing many people to withdraw spending, withdraw less spending, less investment within the market. Siam Commercial Bank just abandoned their plan to purchase a $500 million stake in crypto exchange Bitcoin. So the bank say, hey, we are now seeing a lot of red flag coming out from Bitcoin and resolving various issues according to recommendation from the country Security and Exchange Commission without a definite timeline. And they say, hey, we are not bailing you guys out. So it is really the oldest Thailand bank, and they just now announced their withdrawal and their plan to freeze on purchasing Bitcoin. So Siam Commercial Bank (SCB) Group say it would no longer be paying 17,850 million baht, roughly around $536 million in November and $497 million at the time of publication to acquire 51 stake in the Thailand-based crypto exchange. So they say Bitcoin has a lot of resolving various issues according to recommendation from the country's Security and Exchange. So a lot of stuff. These institutions don't want to play with it and don't want to deal with these problems. So they just say, hey, we are gonna withdraw our plan and just pull out of this investment. We are no longer obligated to abide by it. And after we have exited our position, which here they say, hey, we are no longer interested in purchasing $500 million stake in the crypto exchange company. Let's look forward, folks. So, despite pullback from the market, investment is still continuing. Polygon founder crypto VC firm just raised another $50 million fund to back his Web3 project. Web3 project is still new here, and many people are now focusing on the metaverse more than Web3. They still focus on cryptocurrency project and other NFT marketplace, so build their own NFT collection. But right now, innovation is growing. We are seeing this, and Polygon founders say, hey, despite the bear market which we are in, we are still investing in this very, very fast-paced blockchain technology here. This is just the beginning of investment, folks. This is just the beginning. More stuff are coming out. Let's look forward. Missouri-based Sullivan Bank just say, hey, guy, hello, my customer. You are now able to purchase Bitcoin. So, customer of Sullivan Bank will be able to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin and one other crypto through Bank Holding Crypto Connect platform and one mobile app. This is very crazy, folks. This is awesome. So Bank Holding just partnered with Sullivan Bank in Missouri, and they plan to offer crypto purchase or crypto trading to their client. This is really a phenomenon. Big Crypto Connect platform even support warm and cold wallet storage, though it is unclear if user can withdraw Bitcoin to external wallet. There's still a lot of stuff coming out. User can build Bitcoin balance alongside their checking account in one app. Very convenient here. And Big Holding CEO say, hey, Bitcoin isn't going anywhere. Yeah, it won't go anywhere because adoption is growing. That is what we are very focusing on, adoption. This is just the beginning, folks. This is just the beginning of innovation, and a lot of great stuff are continue coming out from the market. And then, what are my thoughts with the crypto market right now? As of right now, Fed Powell just crashed the whole crypto market, and the global crypto market cap now is under $1 trillion. So Powell does actually issue a very stark warning for the U.S. economy in the upcoming month. We are expecting more economic downturn, as he say, hey, we are willing to raise interest rate and continue to do so in order to tame inflation at the cost of putting the U.S. economy on the tip of a recession. And the American people are not worried, as he is suspecting more job losses continuing throughout the month. And this is just the beginning, folks. More bear news are coming out, but despite that, crypto adoption, crypto innovation and acceptance is still continue to grow. That is what great about the crypto market, and we are preparing for more news coming out from the market. Keeping you guys posted because more great stuff are coming out. And this is just the beginning, folks. If you enjoy watching my video, feel free to click on that like button. And also don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.